Hi everyone. So hopefully you guys are doing okay and staying healthy. Today we will be sharing a wonderful recipe of making curry out of cucumber and shrimp. After adding the cooking oil, we will be frying raw shrimp until it turns golden brown. And it is easier to stir them from time to time so they don't get burned. And I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of onion paste, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of ajwain powder. And then I'm gonna mix the masalas nicely. It's better to add some water so you can get a better curry out of it. And for the chili and the salt, they both should be according to your taste. And half teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 bay leaves. My camera kind of got out of focus, so I added the raw cucumber and then a little bit of water again. And then I'm gonna close the lid and wait for a few minutes. Looks yummy, right? So I'm gonna stir the curry a little bit and feel if the cucumber they have turned a little softer. So which means it has been cooked nicely. This curry is a wonderful option that you can eat either with rice, bread, or without anything. I think it's also a good recipe that you can try during summer because cucumber really helps to make your stomach cool, I guess. So try it out and hopefully you guys will like it. Do share with your friends and family. Take care. Bye.